Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you the most prestigious Mercedes-Benz you can buy today. This is the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 SUV Night Series, and it's truly one of a kind, truly bespoke GLS 600. It has its two-tone color option. On the upper section of the car, we have Mojave Silver. Down here, we have Obsidian Black. This color option is $18,500. Because this is a Night Series GLS 600, it has the Night Series design package, which is $25,000 for a total retail price on this GLS of $229,000. In today's video, I'll show you guys the exterior features, the interior, and if you want to see the full drive review of this GLS 600, head on over to my YouTube channel, Mercedes Lounge. You'll find a full in-depth and drive review of this GLS 600. Let's begin with the front fascia. Very imposing front grille, finished in the black chrome signature design, Maybach lettering on the grille itself, vertical slats. Lower section, we have Maybach insignia all throughout these outer air intakes, fully functional as well. The Mercedes star is also finished in this dark chrome Night Series look, and here's something you don't see often in a Mercedes-Benz. It has rose gold LEDs right here with the M Maybach lettering. Each of these LEDs has 84 individual LEDs, you can see right here, single eyebrow, and that's really the front look of this GLS 600. Love the dark chrome, makes the car look absolutely phenomenal. Open up the hood. As I lock the car, you can see the side running boards disappears underneath the GLS. Now, the GLS 600 SUV is powered by handcrafted AMG 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine producing 550 horsepower with 538 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in this car is 4.8 seconds. So that's pretty remarkable, pretty fast, considering it weighs 7,408 pounds. And all that power goes to the 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission in the GLS 600. The wheel arches are finished in the same color as the car. Maybach design rims you can only find in a Maybach, with the Maybach lettering as well. Notice the Maybach emblems all throughout this rim itself. These are 7 spokes all throughout. The size of the front tires, 285/40R23. These are 23-inch rims. Front discs are perforated. You can't even see that. Now, what makes this car stand out is we have these side running boards, which typically pop in and out of the car. So I'm going to close this front door before we jump inside. And you can see right here, these side running boards disappears underneath the car for this flush, clean look. Let's go ahead and open up the car once more. And here we go. They did pop out. Now, I mentioned before we began this video, this is a Night Series Maybach with the Maybach lettering, Maybach sport pedals. Love the two-tone which flows across. Dark chrome door handles. Again, Maybach Night Series options. And there's also a Maybach emblem on the C-pillar. Inside is where all the magic happens, but before we jump in, let me show you guys the rear design. Love this look. Maybach lettering on the left-hand side, GLS 600 on the right-hand side. Love these LEDs. Maybach insignia on the C-pillar. Very clean and truly bespoke look. Let's check out the storage in the back. In the back, we have about 18.4 cubic feet. Another Maybach emblem right here on the cargo cover. Notice the speaker system at the back here with this very large wood option in the GLS. This car has 29 speakers. It's a 3D high-end speaker system. Electronic tailgate. All my stuff is in here because I was driving this car. If you want to see the full review, check out Mercedes Lounge YouTube channel. Let's jump to the front section. Wood trim, Burmester 3D speaker system, memory seating 1, 2, 3, Love the wood trim with the aluminum lines, 64 colors ambient lights, And we have another speaker system on the door here. And how about these seats? Very nice, comfortable seats. Another Maybach insignia on the refrigerator compartment. There is no fridge with this GLS, but if you need one, that's where it goes. Let's step inside. And this is really the look. If you want to drive in luxury, if you want to be chauffeured around, you want to get a GLS 600 SUV or a GLS Maybach, basically. Very nice, comfortable seats. I love how they feel. From the back, you can actually see the nav system shows up here. You can select where to drive. Let's check out the parking systems.
In 100 feet, turn left onto East 600 South.
You can see how this looks. You can also make a call, adjust the comfort menu options. We have a classic massage. You can receive up to 10 massages in your car, and adjusting comfort. You can set the mood you want to be in, right? You have freshness, warmth, vitality, joy, well-being. Let's go ahead and play the C sounds. Listen to this. And that's really the C sounds. We go to play that, and that's how it sounds like. You can just really play any mood or themed music. Summer rain, if you want to listen to rain, or if you want to listen to the forest, you can engage that system as well. And that's really the energizing comfort. I'm just going to stop this. And passenger's perspective, very nice, very truly bespoke. And I'm going to fold this tray. And the tray actually goes in the central section here. There is another tray system here. I'm gonna fold this up and let it sit inside. And now we have a very clean look in the GLS 600. So if you wanna type up, work on your computer, or just have some lunch, you know the tray systems can be found inside here. Also, we have 2 cup holders, heated as well as cooled cup holders, and you can actually press once and it folds in. And let's open that as well. USB-C ports can be found down here as well. And overall, very nice system. You can see the speaker system up ahead. There are speakers all throughout the roof of this car, all through the cabin, on the A pillars, on the B section area, and the C pillars as well. Up to 29 speakers in the GLS 600. And we have a quad exhaust tailpipe system right here. The actual exhausts are down here as well. You can actually see 2 of them at the back here. This GLS tows up to 7,700 pounds. And in terms of weight, this car is 7,400 pounds. I'm going to turn it off. And overall, that is a quick look at the Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 SUV 9 Series. Until next time, stay positive. Peace.